three installation methods for the control box. One is the one we're looking at here, which is the standard, where the control box is right here at the bottom. All the inputs, everything's accessible from the front, which I'll show you guys in a minute. This panel opens up and the board's back there. All the cabling can go straight back. So everything's hidden and out of sight. The second option is the hidden control box option, where we use a different railing for the installation. It gives about 3 inches off of the wall, 3.5 inches off of the wall. And that's where the control box goes to the rear of the panel. So everything's still accessible. All your AV is still routed through the back. The power is routed through the back. It'll be frameless and the control box to the back. The third installation type is the separate control box, where we provide, it's a 30 feet of cables. So the control box can actually go back into the media room, out of sight, in another room in the back. So everything's going to be hidden, and you could run your AV controls from the rear of up to 30 feet away. Upcoming future option, as you mentioned, is going to be the rack mount, which will also be a way in the media rack, and the signal and everything will run from there to the panel.